Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Let's go. The 20-cent euro coin 2004 stands as an iconic piece within the Eurozone's circulating currency, representing both the economic unity of Europe and the distinct artistic identity of the issuing nation. Introduced as part of the euro currency system in 2002, the 20-cent denomination quickly became one of the most commonly used medium-value coins for everyday transactions. The 2004 issue is particularly valued by collectors because it comes from the early transitional phase of the euro, when minting standards, national designs, and production volumes were still stabilizing across different member states. The coin is composed of Nordic Gold, a durable copper alloy blend containing copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin, specifically engineered to resist tarnishing and maintain a bright golden appearance even after years of circulation. Its distinctive Spanish flower shape with 7 smooth indents sets it apart from other euro coins and makes it easily recognizable through touch, helping both collectors and everyday users. On the reverse side, common to all Eurozone countries, the coin features a geographical map of Europe designed by Luke Lukes, showcasing the European Union's unity and shared identity. The map itself evolved over time, but the 2004 version reflects the early enlargement era. The reverse also displays the coin's denomination, 20 euro cent, in bold lettering, along with vertical lines symbolizing stability and growth under a unified monetary system. Meanwhile, the obverse side varies depending on the issuing country. Each Eurozone member uses its own national design, which could depict famous leaders, architectural symbols, coats of arms, or cultural motifs. Several countries in 2004 issued their own versions, such as Germany with the Brandenburg Gate symbolizing openness and unity, France with Marianne representing liberty, Italy featuring the statue of Umberto Boccioni showing dynamic modernism, and Spain displaying King Juan Carlos I. Because every country minted different quantities, some 2004 issues are more common while others have notably lower mintage, making them more interesting to numismatists. The size and physical properties of the coin remain consistent across countries. The 20-cent euro coin has a diameter of 22.25 mm, a thickness of 2.14 mm, and a weight of 5.74 grams, making it slightly heavier and thicker than its 10 and 5-cent counterparts. Its smooth golden color and floral rim are designed to prevent confusion with other denominations and ensure durability during high usage. By 2004, euro coins were widely circulating through millions of transactions across Europe, from retail purchases to public transport fare systems, which contributed to the coin's slightly worn but distinct patina when found in circulation today. Collectors particularly seek well-preserved specimens, especially those with sharp edges, full luster, and minimal handling marks. The historical context of 2004 also adds importance to this coin. This year marked a major expansion of the European Union as 10 new countries joined the bloc, although they did not immediately adopt the euro. The period represents a time of growing economic integration and stability within Europe, making the 2004 coinage symbolic of a rapidly evolving monetary landscape. Many collectors view coins from 2004 as part of the early euro-era heritage, bridging the gap between the original euro launch and the large-scale expansion of the EU. Some mints produced special versions for collector sets, and these uncirculated or proof-quality coins command higher value in the numismatic market. In terms of current collector value, most 20-cent euro 2004 coins hold standard face value when circulated, but certain low-mintage varieties from countries like Luxembourg, Finland, or the Netherlands may carry a premium depending on condition. Coins in mint state or proof condition are more desirable, especially if stored properly in protective packaging. For everyday collectors, the 2004 20-cent coin is a meaningful reminder of Europe's early euro years, celebrated for its durability, elegant design, and the historical significance it carries across time. The 20-cent euro coin 2004 represents a significant chapter in the story of Europe's developing monetary identity, emerging during a period when the euro was still shaping its role in global finance. Unlike the earliest euro coins from 2002, which were minted in massive quantities to meet the immediate demand of currency transition, the 2004 issues came at a time when Eurozone circulation had stabilized, allowing mints to refine production quality, adjust minting volumes, and strengthen security features. This period gave the coin a special place in numismatic history because it reflects the early maturity phase of the euro, no longer brand new, yet still forming its modern identity. By 2004, the euro had started proving its reliability in international markets, and euro coins became symbols of economic confidence, connecting millions of people across borders through a single currency. What makes the 20-cent coin of 2004 historically interesting is its balance between national identity and European unity. Every member state minted this coin with the same reverse design but maintained its own unique obverse artwork. This duality created a shared European symbolism while preserving cultural individuality. Some countries redesigned or updated minting dies in 2004, giving the coins sharper details and improved clarity. Others continued with earlier obverse designs but produced smaller quantities, unintentionally creating collectible varieties. Because of these differences, the 20-cent coins minted in 2004 became an important field of study for collectors who analyze mint marks, national symbols, and strike quality to identify rare variations. From a historical perspective, 2004 was a transformative year for Europe. The European Union experienced one of the largest expansions in its history as 10 new nations joined the bloc. Although these countries did not adopt the euro immediately, their entry changed the dynamics of European cooperation and increased the long-term influence of the currency. As a result, the coins minted in 2004 symbolized a continent preparing for a broader and more unified economic future. The 20-cent coin became an everyday reminder of the gradual progress toward deeper integration, a small object with a large message about unity, cooperation, and shared financial destiny. The coin's distinctive Spanish flower edge, a 7-sided smooth pattern, also adds historical importance. This innovative shape was designed to make the coin instantly recognizable by touch and to prevent vending machine fraud. In 2004, improvements in manufacturing meant these edges were more precisely formed, giving many examples from that year a cleaner and more defined profile. Combined with its golden Nordic Gold alloy, the coin was crafted to stay bright and resist corrosion despite constant use. This longevity is why many 2004 coins still appear in good condition today, even after 2 decades. For collectors and historians, the 2004 20-cent euro coin is valued not only for its physical design but also for its symbolic timing. It stands at the intersection of evolving mint technology, expanding European unity, and growing global recognition of the euro as a stable currency. Many enthusiasts view it as a milestone coin, one that captures the spirit of an emerging era when Europe was transitioning from a newly unified monetary zone to a strong, influential economic power. Whether found in circulation, stored in collector albums, or preserved in mint sets, this coin carries with it a story of cooperation, innovation, and the quiet power of a shared currency shaping a continent's future.